Are you people able to hear me? Guys, all the people.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Let me share the screen. Guys, can I open Visual Studio Code? Please open Visual Studio Code. Fine. In Visual Studio Code, file, open folder, we have one folder, JS6M folder. Here itself, we have one folder. The folder is the JS6M folder. Fine. Guys, do you people know that closures, guys? The closures are not reached perfectly to you. See the closures, some basic examples you need to see. Fine. Guys, what is the definition of closure? Anyone knows that one? What is the definition of closure? At least one person.
Function with its
Function.
lexical.
Function with its function with its lexical scope. Function with its lexical scope called as what do you call? Called as closure. Function with its lexical scope called as closure. Fine. One best example I will tell you. See the best example. Sandeep, can you take the yesterday example only, not the new example, yesterday example only. Sandeep, can I take the script tag? Sandeep, can I take the script tag? Why not? We should be in position. We need to take the script tag. Madhav, say this one can. Madhav, function one. Madhav, what is the name of the function?
Function JSON.
The name of the function is the function one. Say this
Yes,
one can. Function, the name of the function is the, what is the name of the function? The name of the function is the function one. Function one contain one variable. Which variable? Variable x equal to what? Variable x equal to 100. Function one variable x equal to what? Variable x equal to 100. So this one can function two. Function two. Say this one can variable y equal to 200. Next one, console dot log of x. Next one, say this one can function three. Function three. Variable z equal to no. Say this one can console dot log of 5. Simply we need to specify the console dot log of 5. Was totally how many functions we have?
3 functions.
Was totally how many functions we have? 3 functions. Function one, function two, next one is the function 3. Function 1, next one is the function 2, next one is the function 3. Sandeep, who is accessing x variable?
Function 2.
But who is the original owner?
1.
Function 1. So this is called as the closure or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is accessing y?
3.
Function 3. But who is the original owner?
Function 2.
Function 2.
What do you call that one? What do you call? Closure. I will tell you one more point, guys. I will tell you one more point here. Very simple point. I will tell you. Totally how many functions we have? 3 functions. Guys, even though if you separate the functions, we need to pull the functions to out. We need to pull the functions to out. This is the function 2 and function 3. I need to pull to out, guys. From the relationship onwards, I wanted to pull to out. Even though if you pull to out, the same values are there. Guys, so now they're in the relationship or not? Function 1, function 2, function 3. Now they're in the relationship. Yes or not?
Yes.
This is the parent. This is the child. This is the subchild. At present, they're in the relationship. Even though if you break the relationship also, values will be there. Same values are available. I think values never be deleted here. So this concept we can call what do you call? What are the concept we have here? This concept we can call closure. Fine. Say this one here. Guys, function 1 is there na? This is the function 1 na?
Yes.
Function 1 returning function 2 definition. function 1 returning what? Function 1 returning the function 2 definition. This is the function 1 or not? Function 1 returning what? Function 2 definition. Say this one here. This is the function 2 na. Respond. This is the function 2 na. Function 2 returning what? Returning what? Function 3 definition. Try to see this one going. Why is it totally how many functions we have? Why is it totally how many functions we have? 3 functions. Function 1, next one is the function 2, function 2, next one is the function 3. Here itself we have the 3 functions. Yes or not? Function 1 is there na. Respond guys. Function 1 wanted to return function 2 definition. Wanted to return what? Return function 2 definition. Fun. This is the function 2 na. Function 2 wanted to return function 3 definition. Return what? Return function 3 definition. Sandeep, say this one again. Sandeep, if I call the function 1, I wanted to call the function 1. If I call the function 1, which definition you are getting?
Function 2 definition.
Yeah. Can you tell the logic to me? Can you tell the logic to me? Let function 2 let function 2 equal to let function 2 equal to function 1 of fine. Which function you bring it to outside?
Function 2.
Function 2. Now function 2 is out of relationship na.
Yes.
Now is function 2. Now function 2 is out of relationship. Console that log of function 2. Because you people need to understand here. Yes, guys, we got the function 2 outside na. Respond here. Function 2 now not in the relationship. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Here what happened? Function 2 printing what?
X.
X variable. Is any X variable here? Do we have
No.
any X variable?
No, sir.
No, no. If no X variable, we're expecting undefined na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Yes, we are expecting undefined here. But we are not getting undefined. We are expecting undefined here, but we are not getting undefined here. Try to say this one here. Function 2 of. Actually, we are expecting undefined here. Here itself, we are expecting undefined here, but we are not getting undefined here. Instead of undefined, we are getting the 100. Yes, we got the 100 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got the 100 or not? Yes, this one we can call closer. Guys, so are you feeling comfortable for comparative test array class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, guys, say this one again. Is it a function 2?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it a function 2? Yes,
Yes.
this is the
Yes.
function 2. Yes or not?
Yes.
If I call function 2, if I call function 2, which definition we are getting?
Function
Which
3.
Function 3.
exactly. Which definition we are getting? Function
Function
3
3
definition we are getting. If I call function 2, we are getting function 3 definition. Sandeep, can I print the function 3?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, can I print the function 3?
Yes.
Let me call the function. Let me print the function 3 first of all. And here itself, we need to print the function 3. Console.log of. Console.log of function 3. Sandeep, what you printed? Function 3. Sandeep, this function 3 is the independent person or not?
Yes, sir.
He is the independent person or not? He is the independent person. Yes or not? Yes.
Yes.
Any y variable here? In
No.
this context, are you finding any y variable? No.
No.
No, we are not finding any y variable here. So what we are expecting? What we are expecting?
Undefined.
Undefined. We are expecting undefined here. But instead of undefined, what happened? We will see. We are expecting undefined here. Instead of undefined, what happened? We will see. But what we are getting? 200. Purnima, because of what? Purnima, because of what? Because of closer or not? Because of closer. Because of closer, we are getting the 200. Guys, please be happy with this one, guys. No more option for you. Because of the closest, you need to understand like this. In the interviews, they're asking this kind of questions. Remember that point. Guys, see this one here. One more example we need to see. We should be in a position. We need to see the another example. Let me see the another example here. Another example is the, guys, can I take the script tag?
Yes.
Can I take the script tag here? Let me take the script tag. Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the script tag. Guys, can I create the function 1? Nagababu,
Yes,
can I create the function 1? Function,
Yes.
function, which function? Function 1. function 1 here. Next one, Nagbabu, take one variable x equal to variable x equal to 100. Here itself, we needed to go for the variable x equal to what you wanted to specify, variable x equal to 100 now.
Yes, sir.
Respond here, variable x equal to what? Variable x equal to, and here itself, we should be in a position, variable x equal to, and here itself, we should be in a position, we need to specify the 100 or not.
Yes, sir.
Variable x equal to, and here itself, we should be in a position, we need to specify the 100. Yes or not? Fine. After specifying the 100, next one, Sandeep say this one. Can I create the function to? Function, which function? Function 2. Function 2 here. Function 2. Next one say this one again. And here itself, console dot log of x. Console dot log of x. Say this one here. Variable, otherwise say this one here. X equal to 200. What is the x value we specified?
200.
What is the x value we specified? We specified the x value. The x value equal to 200 now.
Yes, sir.
The x value equal to 200. Now we specified the x value 200k. Next one, function 2. Let me call the function 2. Here itself, we need to call the function 2. Next one, whatever the function 2 we have, that function 2 we need to call. Can I call the function 1? Can I call the
Yes.
function 1? Let me call the function 1. Yes, guys, anyone have the, can anyone tell the answer to me? Can anyone tell the answer to me? Guys, 100 or 200, what you are expecting?
200.
Sure now? You are expecting the 200 now? 200. Yeah, see this one here. I think Balamanikanta, these kind of examples are there now. Now what is the output you are expecting? What is the output you are expecting?
100.
100, sir.
What is the output you are expecting here? Answer is the 100 here. If I call after x, guys, if I call after x, if I call after x here, if I call
200.
after x, what is the answer? 200.
200.
If I call before x, what is the answer?
100.
100 is the answer. Okay, na fine. Guys, add one more point. One more point is the let me go for the another point. Guys, don't return function to definition. See this one here. We need to return what? Function to definition. This is what?
Function 1.
Function 1 returning what?
Function 2.
Function to definition. Now say this one again. Now this is what?
Calling function 1.
Function 2?
Calling function 2.
No, this is the function to definition. Now let me place the parenthesis. One more parenthesis we needed to place. Now we got the 100. I think just don't go for this kind of complex level examples here.
Yes, sir.
These kind of questions they will ask. Here. Guys, wait here. We need to see this one. Again. Guys, observe this one. What is the name of the function?
Function 1.
The name of the function is the function 1. Function 1 returning what?
Function to definition.
Function to definition. Wait here. Guys, wait here. Here itself, call the set time out. Variable x equal to 100. Variable x equal to 100, we need to specify. Variable x equal to 100, we need to specify. Next one, can I take the set timeout?
Yes.
Can I take the set timeout everyone here? Set timeout. Set timeout of callback function. Next one is the, we need to specify the 5 seconds. Simply we need to specify what? Simply we need to specify the 5 seconds. Guys, here itself, function 2. Guys, these kind of examples are there, guys. Function 2. Which function we have? Function 2. Next one. See this one here. Variable, not variable. Console dot log of x. Console dot log of x. Next one, guys. See this one here. X equal to 200. And here itself, we should be in a position. We need to place the x equal to 200. Next one, after the x equal to 200 here, next one is the please call the function 2, and here itself we need to call the function 2. Next one, and here itself we need to call the function 1. Guys, can I take this some time here? Can you please explain the output of this code? Guys, take some time here. Take 2 to 3 minutes of time. Just to analyze the output. That's it. I'm not expecting the correct output from you. Just I'm expecting some output from you. And the x, just keep the x at the downside. Guys, take some time. Take some time. And please explain the output. Anyone?
Okay.
After 5 seconds, 100.
After
will
5
be
seconds, we are getting 100 or 200.
100.
100, sir.
100 na, 100 na sure na?
Yes, sir,
100, sir.
100.
Function 2 is not defined now. Where guys? This function 2 is not getting to outside now. Function 2 not getting outside because it is saying like scope. $200. What is the output here? Output is the 200 here. For example, if I place x equal to 500, if I place x equal to 500 guys, what is the output you are expecting? X equal to 500. Generally as per our psychology, we're expecting answer is the 100 na?
100,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We're expecting answer is the 100.
500.
Now 500.
500.
No, don't say 500 again. Question, this is the repeated question in the interview. So
Okay.
same
Yes.
example, ditto example is there. Same question they're asking in the interview panel. As per our psychology, what is your answer? 100.
100.
But what is the answer we are getting?
500.
Guys, can anyone explain the reason? Anyone, guys?
Overriding.
Because of
Keyword and overriding.
Anyone, guys? Guys, what is the reason?
After
The reason is
5
the
Due to
seconds,
where and overriding.
not where keyword is where keyword is the correct answer, but another solution, another reason is that. Guys, is a JavaScript execution synchronous execution?
yes.
Synchronously.
Guys, the code will execute line by line. Na?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, say this fun can. Line number, first of all, x will execute na.
Yes.
Guys, in the heap memory, what is the x value?
100.
In the heap memory, what is the x value? X value equal to 100. Yes, x will execute here, x value equal to 100, no doubt. Yes or not? Next one.
Yes.
Browser engine will face the line number 35 na?
Yes.
Yes or not? Whenever browser engine face the line number 35, what happen? This is the function 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, function.
Function 2 won't execute, guys. Function 2
It's
definition
total.
stored here.
Yeah.
Respond.
Yes.
Function
Yes, sir.
2 definition stored here. It won't execute. Guys, never execute here. Function 2 never execute. Set a timeout to doing one. Set a
Function 2
timeout to
definition
doing one.
5.
Function
One time.
2 definition stored into where?
Browser.
Store it
Browser
into where?
memory.
Store it into browser memory care. It never execute here. So see this fun care. Function 2 definition and function 2 calling also. Both will be stored into browser memory. It never executed here. Okay, na? Next one. After that, what is the next code here? Function 1 na? Function 1. It
Yes.
doesn't matter. No. After that, what happened? After that, what happened? X equal to what we have here?
500.
X equal to what we have here? 500 na?
Yes, sir.
X equal to 500 here. So what is the X of old value?
100.
What is the X of old
100.
value? 100. So guys, if this code executed, no worry. But this code is not executing. This definition stored into browser memory. There's a big issue. Sandeep, say this fun here. Internal, what happened? We will say. Sandeep, the code will execute line by line or not?
Yes, sir.
Line number 34 will execute or not?
Yes.
If a line number 34 execute here, browser remembering what? Browser remembering, oh, x value equal to 100. Browser remembering or not? Yes,
Yes.
sir. So line number 34 executed successfully. So what is the problem of set a timeout? What is the problem of set a timeout?
It will not
Set a timeout. It won't execute. Set a timeout.
store them.
This function definition and a
Mhm.
function calling in browser memory.
Browser memory.
Code as it is code will stored here, not execution. Whatever the code we have, complete code will be stored here. The code never execute here. So that is the problem of what? Set a timeout. If I now say this one here, here itself, what happened here? Complete definition will be stored here. Next one. After storing the definition, next one, line number 41 will execute or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. If line number 41 executed here, what is the x value?
500.
What is the x value? X value equal to 500. Yes or not? X value
Yes.
equal to 500 here. So, Sandeep, this line is the invalid line or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But in the browser, what you have? Definition you have.
Definition.
In the
Yes.
browser, execution not there. So, after the line number 41, browser engine once again jump to definition. Immediately, browser engine once again jump to definition here. But in the definition, you are printing x value na.
Yes.
But what is the latest? What browser memory remembering one? X equal to one?
500.
500. So because of that reason, the output is the 500 is the output. Guys, whatever the explanation I told to you, same explanation you need to tell in the interview panel. Will you tell the same interview panel, same story in the interview panel?
Yes.
Guys, set a timeout to doing what? Set a timeout storing the definition to browser memory. Set a timeout, never execute. When set a timeout will execute? After 5 seconds, set a timeout will execute. Catch my point or not?
Yes.
Guys, can I go for the another example?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
go
sir.
for the another example?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me go for the another example. Here itself, see this one. Guys, can I take the script tag? Guys, can I take the script tag? Why not? Happily, we need to take the script tag. What are the script tag we have here? That script tag we need to take it here. What are the script tag we have? That script tag we need to take. Fine. Guys, see this one here. Here itself, can I take the for loop here? Can I take
Yes,
the
sir.
for loop here? For variable I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than 5, I less than 5. Next one is the I plus plus. Guys, console dot log of I. Console dot log of I. What is the answer? Console dot log of I. What is the answer? 0,
0,
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or not?
Yes,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bala, any confusion to understand this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the output we are getting or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Bala, don't print the I immediately. Never print the I immediately here. Fine. Bala, if I print I here, what is the output you are expecting? 0,
0,
0,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, guys, one more question to you. While exiting the for loop, while exiting the for loop, what is the I value at the
5.
end of the for loop? At the end of the for
5.
loop, what is the I value? 5 year. See this one here. Within the for loop, I value equal to 0 to 4.
0 to 4.
While leaving the for loop, I value is
5.
what? 5.
5.
Is my point right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
within the for loop, I value equal to 0 to 4. At the end of for loop, while leaving the for loop, I value is
This is
5.
5.
5. Remember that point here. Fine. Guys, don't mute yourself here, someone. Guys, don't print I immediately. Sandeep, never print I immediately. Print I after 5 seconds. Whatever the I we have, that I you need to print after 5 seconds. How to print it here? How to print it here? Set a timeout. Set a timeout of what you wanted to specify. Arrow function. When you wanted to print, after 5 seconds. And here itself, what you need to specify, console.log of I. Are you printing I immediately?
No, sir.
No.
We are not printing I immediately. We are printing I when? After
5 seconds.
after 5 seconds. So guys, internally what happened we will say. Guys, already I told you, set a timeout won't execute the function. Is it executing the function?
No, sir.
No, yaar, no. Set a timeout won't execute the code. Set a timeout will store this function to the browser memory. Set a timeout will store, remember here, set a timeout will store this function to the browser memory. Fine. Assume here this is the browser memory. Whatever we have, this one we can call, what do you call here? Whatever we have, this one we can call browser memory. Purima, try to say this one again. Set a timeout doing what? Set a timeout, this is the function or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the function or not? This function
Yes.
stored into where? For the first
Browser
iteration,
memory.
this for the first iteration. Assume this one again. This is the iteration one. For the iteration one, for the iteration one, the function stored into browser memory. Yes or not? Fine. Now see this one. One more point. For the first iteration, what is the I value? What is the I value? I value is the 0.
0.
But no use na, no use. Because if this
No.
function executed, then we
No.
are getting the 0. But unfortunate thing is that this function is not executing. As it is a function stored into where? Browser memory.
Browser memory.
Fancy this fun here. Second iteration is there na? Second iteration. For the second iteration also, code, the function, whatever the callback function is there, the callback function stored into browser memory. At this time, what is the I value? At this time, what is the I value? I equal to 1 na? I equal to 1. Next one, say this one again. For the third iteration also, what happened? For the third iteration also, function will be stored into browser memory na? Sandeep, function
Yes.
will be stored into browser memory.
Browser
Say
memory.
this one here. At that time, I equal to what? I equal to 2. Guys, as it is definitions, guys, definition 1, definition 2, definition 3. Definitions are storing into browser memory.
Memories.
The definitions not executing. Who stopped the execution? Set a timeout stopped the execution. Fine. Next one, see this one here. One more pointer. For the fourth iteration also, function definition stored into browser memory na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? At that time, what is the I value? What is the I value? I equal to 3
3.
na? I
3.
equal to 3 na? Here itself, what is the I value? What is the I
2.
value?
I
I value
equal
equal
to
to 2. Fun. Next one. For the fifth iteration also, see this one here. For the fifth iteration also, function definition stored into browser memory na?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or not? Browser memory here. I equal to what? I
4.
equal to what? I equal to 4. I equal to what we have here? 4. Next one. And once again, loop will iterate or not? Once again here, loop won't stop. Even though I equal to 4, loop won't stop. Fine. Once again, the loop will iterate or not? Once again, the loop will iterate here. While iterating the loop, the condition is fail or not?
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
the condition is fail, this code, whatever the function definition is there, that function definition want to store into where? Browser memory. But I value is what? But I value
5.
is what? I value is the 5 here. Guys, are you following the explanation now?
Yes, sir.
Guys, what is the worst thing with the set a timeout, guys? Set a timeout won't
It
execute the
will
code.
store only the function definition.
Yes, sir. Set a timeout stores the function definitions in a browser memory. Sandeep, inside the browser memory, how many functions definitions you have? How many
5.
function definitions you have? 5 functions
5.
definition. What is the I value initially?
0.
0. But the 0 replaced with
1.
that 0 replaced with 1 or not? That
Yes.
0 replaced with the 1. Next one. See this one here and here itself. What is the I value? 2
2.
na? 2. But 1 replaced with see this
2.
one here. 1 replaced with what? 1 replaced with latest values, guys. 1 replaced with what? 1
2.
replaced with 2. 2. And here also 1 is there na? This one
Yes.
also replaced with what? This one also replaced with what? 2.
2.
2. Next one, say this one here. 3 na?
Yes.
So 2 replaced with 2
3.
replaced with 3. This 2 replaced with 3. And
3.
this 2 also replaced with
3.
3. 3. Next one. What is the next value? 4 na? 4. So all 3 is replaced with all
4.
this replaced with 4. And here also 4 na? And here also 4. And here also 4 here. And here also 3 na? This
Yes.
3 also replaced with what? 4.
4.
4. Next one. 5 na? Next one is the 5 na? So all the values are replaced with what? all the values are replaced with the what? 5. Whatever the values we have here, all the values are replaced with the 5. Guys, check the proof here. We need to check the proof. Yes, guys, what we are getting here? 5 times we are getting now.
Yes, sir.
You know the reason now? This is
Yes.
the reason. The reason is the reason for 5 times is nothing but this is the reason here. So all the old values overriding with the latest value. What is the latest value? The latest value is the 5. Guys, will you remember the same explanation in the interview panel?
Yes, sir.
Guys, all the people here, will you remember? Yes, what is the latest
Yes,
value
sir.
here? 5.
5.
What is the latest value here? 5. What is the latest value? 5. And here also latest value is the 5 here. And here also latest value is the 5. So because of that reason, we got the answer as the 5 here. But guys, overriding happening now? Overriding happening or not? But why we are getting the 5 here? Why we are getting all the 5s here? Because the function not
Very good.
executing. The function not executing immediately. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
If the function is executed immediately, the answer is the 0.
0.
But that function not executing immediately, na?
Yes.
Yes or not? But if I execute this function immediately, what is the answer we are able to say?
0.
0. But guys, whatever the function available in the browser memory, can I execute that function immediately? If I execute immediately,
Yes.
automatically we are getting the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Yes, but
Yes.
to execute it, they provided one solution to me. That solution we can call IIFE.
IIF.
Which is solution they provided? IIFE.
IIFE.
So see this pumpkin and here itself. This is the syntax of IIFE now. Yes. Here itself, what is the argument we need to supply? Argument is the callback function. Argument is the callback function here. And here itself, we have the argument here. The argument is the, which argument we have here? The argument is the callback function. Go see this one here. Parenthesis, parenthesis, arrow function, next one is the parenthesis. Parenthesis, next one is the arrow function, next one is the parenthesis here. Fine. Can I cut this one? Please cut this one. This is syntax of IIFE, guys. No need to explain to you already. You people know that one can. Fine. So this one can surrender the complete code. Surrender the complete code with the IIFE. Next one, we are facing the issue with the I variable now.
Yes.
Supply that I variable to the IIFE. Guys, what is the use of line number 51 and line number 55? That code will execute immediately.
Yeah.
The code never be in the browser memory. The code will execute immediately. If the code executed immediately, so what is the answer we are getting here? What is the answer we are getting here? 0 to 4 now.
Yes, sir.
0 to 4. Yes, guys, we got the 0 to 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what is the smart solution? The smart solution is the IIFE is the smart solution. But Sandeep, you told me I don't want to go for the IIFE. If you don't want to go for the IIFE, at that time, we need to go for one ES6 keyword. What is the ES6 keyword? Let keyword. Let keyword maintain the local scope. Let keyword maintain the local scope here. So because of that reason, even if we take the let keyword also, the answer is the 0 to 4. How many solutions we have for that problem?
2 solutions.
2 solutions. ES6 solution is the let keyword. ES9 solution is the IIFE. I think what are the solution you want to use, that solution we can use. Guys, in the closers here, they won't ask more than this question here. All the interviews, if you go for 10 interviews also, all the 10 interviews, they will ask maybe above example they will ask or below example they will ask. Guys, they never ask output here. They never ask output to you. They will ask you internal flow of execution. Internal flow of execution, you people need to explain like this here. Never say output, guys. Never say output in the interview panel. You need to tell why we are getting the 500 here. You need to tell why we are getting the 5 times. You need to tell the answer like this. Explanation they will ask in the interview panel. They never ask output from you. Never think like guys. Never think like they never ask the explanation. They never ask the output. What is the output of this code? They will ask you internal explanation. Will you please prepare this closer exam compulsory question here? Closers are the compulsory topic nowadays in the interview panels. Fine. If anyone asking here what is What is closure in the sense? Please tell this definition. Function with its lexical scope. Function with its lexical scope called as what? Called as closure. And you people need to explain this kind of logics here. Yes, guys, can I commit the code?
Yes.
Can I commit the code? Let me commit the code. How can I commit the code here? Sairam, he told. Sairam, he told. Sai Kumar Reddy. Sai Kumar Reddy. I think he told one question here. He asked
Yes,
one
sir.
question here, but you people, Sai Kumar Reddy, can you tell your string? Sandeep, please answer this one here. He's asking one question.
Let us take any name like Hyderabad.
No, as our wish. As our wish. Can I take the let keyword? Let str equal to tell me.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Already I taken Hyderabad. Arey, respond here. I think let str equal to Hyderabad. Next one.
Yesterday I have seen this in interviews.
That's a question. Okay, please tell me. No issue.
Don't know
Let
how
str.
to find.
What's the question? Can you tell the question?
Can you find a duplicate characters in a string?
Duplicate characters in a
String.
in the string itself, we need to identify the duplicate characters. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
A, B, 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 A, B, B, B. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think what's the question here? Identify the duplicate characters.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Next one, find out the second highest number in an array.
Is same example or a different example?
Different, another example. Array.
That one, leave it here. Sai Kumar, I think how many times I told that example? How many times? So not one time, na? 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3. Second highest element, na?
Yes, sir.
Second min element, na?
Yes.
Sai Kumar Reddy, in the classroom
Yes.
itself, we covered or not? Covered or not?
Covered.
Not remembered, na? Sai Kumar Reddy?
Yes, sir. I am not remembering that.
Okay, fine. Leave it. Fine. Next one, guys. Any other question you faced?
No, sir. These two codes.
So this one, Sai Kumar Reddy. This is the example, na? Just
Yes,
to
sir.
open, guys. So what is the HTML? What is the JS file we created here? Arrays, na?
It should be an array, sir.
Arrays.js. In the arrays.js file, which function we needed to verify?
Sort.
Start function.
Sort.
Sai Kumar Reddy series one ke same example, na?
1, 5, 2, 3, 4.
Same example or not?
Yes.
Series one can here itself. Same example or not? Second min element. Next one, this is what? Second max element.
Second max.
Second in the classroom itself, we covered that example.
Yes.
Next one. What is another question you faced?
These two questions. I am not faced, sir. Yesterday, my brother-in-law Ashok Reddy has taken the interview. While taking, I have seen these questions.
Definitely, he will ask this kind of questions. In the interview also, they will ask the same questions. You are unable to answer, na?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Guys, see this one. Guys, A, B, B, B. Something is there, guys. He's asking, identify the what? Identify the repeated or duplicate?
Duplicate string.
Duplicate.
Not to duplicate. Not to duplicate. They will ask you identify whether A available or not.
No,
B,
sir.
B,
He
B.
asked to identify the repeated character letters.
So this is the repeated letters, na?
Yes,
A. Next one is the A. So we need to identify the same thing here. Yes or not? We need to identify the same thing or not?
Yes.
We need to identify the same thing. So guys, to implement this one, we need some regular expressions, guys. Can you try yourself? I'm giving some hint to you. Can you try yourself? Respond here, respond.
Yes, sir.
Please try yourself here. Fine. Guys, how to commit the code? How to commit the code? Git add data. How to commit it here? Git commit -m. What you wanted to specify? Closures. How to push it? How to push it here? Git push. Guys, can I give yesterday video also? Both the videos, can I give both the videos closers videos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will get both the videos, guys. Closers video. So yesterday video I will share here, and today video also I need to share in the closers. Guys, data structures already we shared now. Data structures here. Data structures video already we shared here. Please go through the data structures. What are the data structures we discussed? That one you need to go through that one. Guys,
Sir, you didn't share with me.
Naveen, I think check your drive. Already linked the videos to you. In our drive itself, you can check the video files. Fine. Next one, please. And one more point is that At the 11 o'clock, guys, at the 11 o'clock, I will take rest parameter, spread operator, and some basic awareness which is related to what do you call regular expressions. Then I will close the batch today itself, guys. 11 o'clock also just 1 hour I will take the class. 11 to 12 I will take the class care. In the 11 to 12, I will take some important interview questions as well as what do you call next one. One more example is there, guys. Regular expressions, some basic level knowledge, not the in-depth knowledge, some basic level knowledge I will provide again. Then I will close the batch today itself. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you, guys. Bye.